You don't understand. I was sent to get coffee for Dr. Sloan because he needs his caffeine right now to get through the most amazing surgery that is happening right now in OR2. So I'm pretty sure it's not okay to be late for the making of medical history, so you need to let me through, okay? To get to that surgery, to get Dr. Sloan his caffeine, to witness medical history being made. My ID is valid, I promise.
Let me take a look. Yeah, she's up there. She swiped it a couple of times and didn't go through.
No, I'm on the other line.